Hi everyone and welcome. This week we are going to work on Photoshop to create a graphic that advertises an imaginary training session. The final graphic is going to look like this. So let's start by creating a new document. So you can go to File, New, or with the shortcut Command N. This is our window we have to set up. I'm going to pick the web since we're going to use this for social media and web uses. I'm going to use web medium size, then press on create. I already selected an image. This is the image that I'm going to use for my artwork. You should go here on select all, or with the shortcut Command A, and then copy or Control C. And now we have to paste it. So Command B, our image is pasted. So if you go to Edit, Free Transform, we need to reduce our image. I think that now is too much. Let me see. That's perfect. That's fine. Now, here from the left panel, we have to pick the rectangle tool. I already have a purple color that I like to use. So let's pick the rectangle tool and drag a shape a little bit more than the half of the size of other artwork. So between his knee and her shoe. So that is our shape. And if you go here on the left side, on the layers panel, here where it says normal the view, you click there, and now you have multiple options. So let's scroll down. The one that I pick is color burn. I like that one. It's very bright and intense. So let's select that one. Now we have our shape. So the next thing to do is we're going to add some text. So again, on the left panel, here we have the type tool, and I'm going to click like here, and I'm going to type the title for this training class, that is Photoshop Extreme. Let's move a little bit closer. Okay. So let's play a little bit with our title now. As you can see, if you go here on the character layer, for the spacing, I put here 60. That's why they are very close. I like it that way, like a block, like a panel. So now I select our layer here. I drag it. So now it's duplicate. Let me show you. Select it. Now I'm going to pick a yellow color. That is our new layer, but I want the yellow behind our purple. Okay, so I drag it down, and what I'm going to do with our arrows from our keyboard, I'm moving a little bit to the right and a little bit to the top. So now you can see the bright yellow shadow behind our title. So then you just have to continue the other steps. Let me show you. I do the same here with the test. Just I play with different sizes because, for example, I wanted to make it more visible, the words that I found more important in my sentence. So that's why I made retouch and one bigger than the rest of the text. And then I just added the date, time, where, and on bottom with the same effect as our title, with the yellow on back, is the link to the place where you can sign up for the class. So in this tutorial, we created a graphic to share on social media, to advertises an imaginary training session. We use an image, in this case, that reflects the young, active, and diverse target that is our public, in this case. We add a shape, text, and some color adjustments. And also we talk a little bit about the layer panels. Thank you for your time. I hope you like it.